Hey guys, this is EYL alarms. This is going to be System Test 27, or Fire Alarm System Test 27. Let's get started. So, there is a few changes, new devices, and a special surprise. So, we're going to take a look right now. So, let's start with the devices first. New, we got a Radionics, I forgot the model number, but it's a Radionics RSU rebranded Radionics pull. It's a key lock version 2. This used to be addressable, now it's conventional. Up here, we have the Bosch F220-PTHC with a B6C base. So yeah. And new, we have, excuse me, we have a System Sensor Special Advance P2RH-LF. Yeah, P2RH-LF. Which is set to 150 candela. And it's going to be, wait, I can't tell you that. That's right, it's a surprise. Let's go over here. We have the Gentex Strobe, I forget the model number again. Annunciator. And the NBG-10. And the Bosch DT-11. Right here, we have a Siemens U-MCS-W. Well, actually, it's not new. It's actually been on the system before, but also new on the system. We have a Siemens Radionics D325A conventional detector head, conventional heat detector, which is 135 degrees fixed. Right here, we have a Service Power Track Semi-Side 10B. And here we have the Lite BG-12, the Spectrum Advanced P2R, 30 candela, and yes, that's right. This is actually the Cosmo 4W. No, I'm sorry, Cosmo 2W. This is a System Sensor i4. That's right. We're going to activate the fire portion of this detector, because the CO part is the CO part. The carbon monoxide part is hooked up to the Vista 20P, which that'll be in a test. Next Vista 20P test will be the next Vista 20P test. We'll be testing the CO portion of this detector, which is the System Sensor i4. So today we'll only be doing the smoke part. So yeah. An i4 has to be, right, has to have a module, right? Well, here it is. Here's the module. This is the COS mod right here for it. This is the COS mod for it. So, yeah. It's flashing green. Here is the panel. Kind of see. But, pretty much the same thing. But down here we have a box. This right here is the sync module that I made. It's Arduino. See a little red light in there. Yeah, this is gonna do, that's right, 2-wire audible silence for horns. That's right. I'm still currently working on Gentex sync on this, but it is set to System Sensor sync. So This will be the first time doing 2-wire audible silence on my system. You're gonna hear this one clicking too. It's a sync module, yes, but yeah, there's gonna be some clicking so on this module you'll be hearing when it's silenced. So all right, so let's get started by pulling the RSG or Radionics. Oh, that's loud. Acknowledge it. Silence, give it a second. There it is. We have 2-wire audible silence. That's right. This is a sync module doing it. That's right. That's the relay in there doing the audible silence. So yeah. Same with the P2R as well. It's doing that as well. So we'll reset the pulsation. Close the panel door. And we'll reset. The thing with RAC TURs, they use this type of key. I'm not sure. Yeah, use that type of key. It's just an RAC key. That's hard to reset. There we go. Okay. Keys right there. So we got 2-wire audible silence. I know it's the Gentex not doing it because it's not system sensor, but yeah, 2-wire audible silence. For this. So we're gonna reset it. So now we're going to do the F220, the Bosch F220-PTHC. So, we're going to test it. Here we go. Okay, now we're silent. We get the good old plate to get all that smoke out of the chamber, because I'm pretty sure it's going to go off again. Don't clear it out. Here it is activated. You can see I'm not testing the heat part nor the CO part of this detector because I don't have the CO can or CO tester to test it. So yeah. So 2-wire audible silence, you can see that. Gentex Strobe. Let's see there. The Siemens Strobe. And the P2R doing audible silence. You can't see that very well on camera, but it's doing it. Anyway. For that, let's reset the system. Okay. All right, now we're going to do the NBG-10. So Here we go. Sounds from the oscillator. Takes a second. There it goes. Takes a second. I'm gonna do some walk tests on this as well today. I've been doing it, so I'll do that as well. Reset the BG-10. I'm sorry, the NBG-10. This is Notifier. Okay, give it a reset here, and we'll reset the system. Okay, reset the panel. Alright, now it's time to test the D273 from Bosch. So we'll do that. That's why I took the smoke alarm down, because I'm going to be doing some smoke testing of this detector. So yeah, here we go. That's loud. Takes a second to do audible silence, but it did it anyway. Takes a few seconds before it can do audible silence, which is doing it right now. There's the low frequency sounder strobe, the P2R-LF. We'll also clear that smoke too, like smoke chamber as well. That was enough. Okay, we'll reset from the panel. Zone 2, you can see that. Alarm, zone 2, pulse, PS means pulsation. So, reset. There it goes. Okay, so now reset. Now we're going to go ahead and test the DT-11 from Siemens, or Service by Electronics. They're the same anyway. And also I moved this this indicator here. You can see it's a blank plate right now because the indicator I have is not compatible with this detector. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it here. This is pretty sensitive. This thing goes out pretty quick. So yeah, here we go. There it goes. So you see now I have moved the zone, the pulsation in the backroom pulsation, because this monitor module, this Cosmo or Cosmod, needs to be on its own zone. So yeah, that's why I moved the zone 3 on the backroom pulsation as an EOL, because this Cosmo, System Sensor Cosmo and Cosmod need to be on an independent zone. So yeah. So, and like I said, with most Siemens and Service by Electronics detectors, the newer ones, OP or DT, or I guess you could say they flash red. Clear to see that. So, I should reset on the oscillator. Alright, let me reset. Here we go. Okay, it's reset. Now, we're going to go and test the MSI 10B. Certified Electronics Siemens MSI 10B. There you go. 2-wire audible silence now initiated. Close the panel. Okay. Now we'll reset the pulsation in here. Zone 3. Sometimes there it goes. Sometimes it wants to go, sometimes it doesn't. Whoops. There's reset. Now we're going to do the BG-12 in the back room. So we'll reset right here. Now we'll do the BG-12 in the back room, the Firelight BG-12. So give it a second. And here we go. Put that one here. Reset. There it goes. I meant to press silent alarm silence, but I pressed reset instead. But why not? So, yeah, that was the last bit of Zone 3. Now I'm going to do the Cosmo and Cosmod. I'm sorry, Cosmo 2W. Just the smoke part. The CO part will be on the Vista 20P because the CO part is tied into the Vista 20P. So we'll do that in the Vista 20P. Next Vista 20P test, we'll be doing the CO part on this detector. So we're just going to do the fire part. This has an internal sounder, which is not controlled from the NACS. It just has it built in. So it's going to keep going off when the system is silenced. So yeah. There it goes. Silence it from the annunciator. As I said, the I4 is going to keep going off until you reset it. It's activated. Okay. As the Cosmos showing, we have a smoke. You can see backroom smoke detector zone 4, as I said, because it has to be independent. So it's going to keep going off until you reset the detector. The I4 is going to keep going off because it has a built-in sounder until you reset it. Oh, I didn't blow that smoke out. Let me go do that real quick before it goes off again. There we go. Get that smoke out of there. It is booting up, you can see. Actually, you know what? For the sake of it, well, no, I'm going to keep it when this 20p test comes around. Anyway, now we're going to do walk test. So this order, I'm going to put this walk test. You can see, went to walk test now, and we're going to go ahead and activate the pull station here. So we'll do that. Guess which key it is, because okay, here's the correct key for it. So we'll go ahead and key activate it here. There it is, obviously the smoke detector. And pull. We'll go ahead, we'll do the Bosch F220-3. Okay, there's that. Now for the i4 to be put on walk test, so you gotta put the module on walk test. The easy walk testing. So we'll do that. So we'll put this, not gonna test zone 3, but we're gonna do this to show you how this works with walk test, so we'll do that. Put your little thing in here, and the yellow light will start flashing, and the detector light, green light on the detector will flash 2 times. And we're gonna go ahead and redo that for smoke. Actually, no, because we're gonna do it with the doesn't keep going off every time. So you can see, I'll show you right now. We're flashing 2 times. Green light. The green light's flashing 2 times now. You see right there. Now we'll go ahead and push the button. This button right here. It's gonna reset. There it goes. So that is the easy walk test feature on the i4. So yeah. So that's the test. So now I'm not going to be uploading for a while because I'm going to have a job now, and so I will not be uploading on my channel for a while because now I have a job, and so yeah. So don't ask me for the next system test because I will not answer your question. So yeah. So anyway, that's the system, guys. That is system test, fire alarm test 27. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching.